हेलो एंड वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज इस वीडियो में मैं आपके लिए टॉप 60 मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस रिलेटेड टू जनरल नॉलेज विद स्पेशल रेफरेंस टू जम्मू एंड कश्मीर लेकर आया हूँ। जेके एसएसबी के किसी भी एग्जाम में ये क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाते हैं। इन क्वेश्चंस की पीडीएफ लिंक भी मैं आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे दूंगा, वहां से आप इसे डाउनलोड करके अपने पास रख सकते हैं। तो चलिए वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं। हु वॉज द फाउंडर ऑफ डोगरा डायनेस्टी? महाराजा गुलाब सिंह। हु वॉज द लास्ट सदर रियासत ऑफ जम्मू एंड कश्मीर? Karan Singh. Who was the first Chief Justice of Jammu and Kashmir? Kanwar Sen. Who was the last ruler of Jammu and Kashmir? Maharaja Hari Singh. Who was the first person to receive Gyanpith Award? Rahman Rahi. Ghulam Rasool Santosh was the famous Kashmiri painter. Bhajan Sopuri was the famous santoor player. Basharat Peer was the author of Curfew Night. Who was the founder of PDP party? Mufti Muhammad Sayyid in July 1999. Haba Khatun was also known as Zoon. Who is the writer of Raj Tarangani? Kalhana is the writer of Raj Tarangani. According to Kalhana, who was the first king of Kashmir? Gonanda. Who was the first Sufi entered in Kashmir? Bulbul Shah Sayyid Sharifuddin. Which region of Jammu and Kashmir is famous for its temples? Jammu is famous for its temples. Which region of Jammu and Kashmir is famous for its valleys? It's Kashmir. The winter capital of Jammu and Kashmir is Amar Mahal Palace is located on the bank of which river? It's River Tavi. The last residence of Dogri kings was Amar Mahal. Bawewali Mata temple is located in Bahu Fort. Bhadrava Valley town is located in Doda. Which of the following tourist place is also known as the mini Kashmir? Bhadrava. Mubarak Mandi Palace was built by Raja Dhruv Dev. Patni Top Hill Resort is located in Udhampur. Ranbireshwar temple is devoted to which deity? Lord Shiva. Which is also known as the Golden Meadow? Sonamarg. Chashme Shahi is located in Srinagar. Nishat Bagh is situated on the bank of Dal Lake. Where is Nurisham waterfall situated? Punch. Amarnath cave is dedicated to which deity? It's dedicated to Lord Shiva. Asia's largest tulip garden is located in which district of Jammu and Kashmir? It's in Srinagar. The famous tulip garden is situated in Srinagar. The Sustainable Development Goals were agreed in 2015. The purpose of SDGs, Sustainable Development Goals, is to help all human lives sustainably. The coldest region in Ladakh is its Dras. How much area in Jammu is under agriculture? It's 40%. Winds that blow from the sea to land is known as southwest winds. Which state is known as the fruit bowl of India? Himachal Pradesh. Which of the following crop need the high humidity and rainfall? Rice. Which among the following crop need black soil for its cultivation? It's cotton. More than 1/3 of the tobacco of the country is produced by which state alone? It is Andhra Pradesh. How much percentage did India contribute in the world production of the oil seeds? India contribute 20% in the world production of the oil seeds. Nilgiri district of Tamil Nadu is famous for which cash crop? It's for tea. Which state of India is the largest producer of the jute? It's West Bengal. The state of Kerala was the leading producer of the natural rubber in the country. India's rank is second in the fruit and the vegetable production in the world. Lu is a hot and dry winds. Which of the following part or region of the Jammu and Kashmir Lu blows? Lu blows in Jammu Plains. Which is the coldest month in Ladakh? It's January. Which mountain range protects the Kashmir Valley from the cold Central Asian winds? It's Greater Himalayan Range. The people of Jammu and Kashmir largely engaged in which of the following sector of the economics? It's agriculture or primary sector. Maize and wheat are the prominent crops of which area? It's Jammu region. Which of the following is a major rabi crop grown in winters in state of Jammu and Kashmir? Wheat. The canal which takes its water from the river Jhelum and flows into the Wular Lake is Noor Canal. Jammu and Kashmir is leading producer of which of the following crops? Saffron. Which of the following is the main fruit producing district in the country? Baramulla. Which of the following causes rain in Jammu in winter? Western disturbances.